Random. So listen, y'all, it's been a minute since we did one of these short films. This one is extremely short. It's like a minute long. It's called My First Day by Anthony Kane. Shout outs to Crypt TV, Monster Universe. Let's check it out.
I'm going to school today, gotta get myself an A, gotta study real hard, gotta pay attention, gotta get myself an education. I'm going to school today. I'm going to school today, gotta do as teachers say, gotta raise my hand, gotta cut the sass, gotta be the head of the class. I'm going to school today. I'm going to school today.
Hi, Mom and Dad. Wish me luck.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Bro. What the fuck? Whoa, 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 whoa. Huh? Oh, they gotta make that into a real movie. This gotta be made. I'm paying top dollar to see it done right. Stephen King, where you at? Somebody, huh? Where y'all at? Y'all gotta take this and make this. I'm paying for that, bro. I gotta see this. That is crazy, little demented little son. Shouts out to Crypt TV, bro. That messed me up right there, man. That messed me up. That was crazy. Y'all get at me in the comment section, man. That was crazy, bro. To the next reaction, I'm gone. Randomness. Peace.